All right, scholars, this is word study level 2. You are on page 2. Let's look at this one together. Oh, man, this thing keeps moving. All right, well. There, I guess that works. So read each set of words. Think about how they are different. Put a check in the bright boxes to show what is different. So they're showing us an example, ship and shot. So they're saying, is the beginning digraph different? If it is, we're going to put a check. So it's blank. So that tells me that the beginning digraph is the same in both words. Ship and shot both have the SH at the beginning. SH. So that's the same. So we're not going to check the box. The vowel in ship is an I and the vowel in shot is an O. So those are both different. So we're going to check. The final consonant is the last letter of each word. Ship, the last letter is a P. In shot, the last letter is a T. So those are different, so we're going to check. So that's all we're doing through here. So the next one says thump and chomp. Are the beginning digraphs different? Let's see. Th and ch. Yes, those are different. We're going to put a check. Are the vowels different? We have a U and an O. Yep, those are different, so we're going to put a check. Is the final consonant different? P, P. Nope, those are the same, so we're going to leave it blank. So thud and shut. The beginning digraph, TH and SH. Those are different, so we get a check. The vowel, U and U. Nope, those are the same, so we're going to leave that blank. The final consonant, D, D, and T. Those are different, so it gets a check. So you're going to do the same thing that we've been doing together for the rest of these. We have chip and chop, thing and think, whiff and chuff, sham and shun, and wig and chug. Then down here, it wants you to put the words in the correct order. There should be only one change between words. So they've done the first one for us. They went from hip to ship because all they had to do was add this one S. Then they went from ship to shop because all they had to do was change that I to an O. So now we're going to go from shop to, well, if we went from shop to chop, that would make sense because then it would only change by adding the S. Or we could just go from shop to shops to we add one S. So let's do that, shops. Then to change that, we just change that S to a C and it becomes chops. And then to change that, we just take off that S and it becomes chop. And then we change the O to the A for chap. And then for chap, we go to chat because we're changing that T to a P. And then from chat to that, we change that C to a T. And from that, we go to than by changing that last T to an N. So you're going to do the same thing for this next set of words. You have match, pitch, hutch, punch, inch. Then the words you're using to put in there are hunch, patch, hitch, itch, and pinch. Then down here we have luck, block, click, slack, and lax. And we have the words to put in the blank: clock, slacks, licks, slick, and lock. So you do not have to do these ones at the bottom, so don't worry about those guys. Once you finish with this page, you're going on to page 3. Once you're finished with page 3, you can finish up listen and respond. Any extra word work that you haven't completed, then you can go to IXL or Lexia.